This is Sarah, Poff, and those art hands. Today we're gonna go lizard hunting. Well, not really. We're gonna make lizards. So here's our little scene. I'll set that to the side. You're gonna get a piece of cardboard that's in a triangle shape. Just a leftover from something else that we've done. I'm going to round off the edges, just because I think it looks better when you round off the edges. And as you see, I'm making myself use a little scissors, just like you'll have, so you'll know that it works. Alright, so there's my cardboard. If you look back over here at this, I've taken little pieces of construction paper and made some water in here and made some dirt around it with that construction paper. Now, I will have some other samples I will flash on the board for you that might give you some other ideas. I have a tray of items that you'll be able to pick from. There's all just different kinds of items in here. This is plastic greenery. You can cut those and make those smaller. Now, how you make those stand is you take a little pinch of the clay, of the Model Magic clay, and you put this in it. Now, you're going to want glue when you glue these down, because if you don't, it's going to pop off of there once it starts to dry. Okay. I don't think you want it that tall, but that's the way you do that part. Now, on the lizard, let's see if I can hold this up and you can see it a little closer. Basically, you're gonna pinch off a little bit that you want to save back for his feet. And then you're going to roll out a snake. I always start with a ball. Go ahead and go through this. I already had a snake made. So you roll out a nice ball. And then you roll a snake. Start to roll a snake. But what you want to do is you want to make it skinnier on the end and leave more there for the head. So I'm just going to roll that out. However long you think you want it. Or am I in the camera? I'll have to go back up. There we go. So I made this end thinner than this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my scissors way up in there and give him a mouth. Like that. Let me flatten out the head a little bit. And then I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut up. See, I might even just want to pinch a little bit here first. Let's see if how this works. So you could do it straight up. You could also do it more at an angle. If you don't like it, you just water up. Try again. Okay, so remember what I'm doing is I'm making it thinner on this end so that he has a head. She has a head. However you want to do that. Cut my mouth open. And you can form the head. Now, also I could do like this, do an angle. And get in there just a little bit more and make it really thin. Because if you don't make it thin enough, you're going to look more like a dragon. And today this is about making lizards, not dragons. Okay. Then you'll find a little container at your table that has some little black dots in it that you can use for eyes. And for those, you're going to just take your ink pen or your scissors. I'm in that alternative place today, and I did not bring down the ink pen. But you're just going to poke the ink pen like in right here, and you're going to put one of those seeds. You're going to come on this side, you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to add a little glue there. Now, if you want to, you can put a little tissue paper in. If you wanted it to look like there was fire coming out, if you want to just go to that pretend way. Okay, this is Sarah Poff. You have fun with this project. You have a great day now.